Look at what happens when a home finally clicks and nothing is placed by accident. This is a real home designed for one of our clients. Every decision was made to support real daily living, from how you move through the space to how each furniture piece supports comfort, flow, and function. This is what architectural interior design looks like when it's done right. Through clear layout planning, smart furniture selection, and carefully layered materials, the space now feels modern contemporary, refined yet warm, polished yet comfortable. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. If you have enough living space, this is how you design it properly. This living area starts with calm, neutral base finishes that allow the furniture to stand out. The light wood engineered planks give your living area a warm and natural base. And an off-white wall color was used to keep your living area bright, but not too cold. To add structure above, a layered ceiling with cove lighting was introduced. The cove lighting softens the ceiling edges, but recessed lights still provide clarity, so your space feels comfortable both day and night. For the furniture layout, every piece is chosen to support seating, movement, and visual balance. You can use a modular upholstered tufted sofa with matching ottoman. These work as one seating system that anchors the living area. The deep seats provide comfort, but the low profile keeps the space open. A neutral fabric throw pillows add comfort and soft layering. At the center, a curved edge nesting coffee table keeps sightlines open, but the solid surface stays functional. You can style it with simple decor for interest, but leave enough clear space. An upholstered lounge chair balances the seating layout, so conversations feel relaxed and connected. To anchor the entire seating group, place a large neutral area rug. It softens the flooring, but keeps a quiet tone, so your furniture remains the visual focus. For storage and vertical balance, a floor-to-ceiling built-in cabinet shelf is placed along the wall. Its clean lines keep the wall light but highly functional, so everything stays organized. Minimal decor like books, ceramics, and collected pieces is spaced intentionally. Because the living area has enough space, a dedicated console zone was added. On the left wall, architectural interest is created using a full-height marble-look slab accent wall framed with wood panels. This creates a clean and elegant backdrop, so anything placed in front of it immediately feels highlighted. Place a wood sideboard cabinet adds extra storage without blocking circulation, so the layout stays open and practical. You can style this area with minimal console decor and large abstract artwork, which adds warmth without visual clutter. Install double globe wall sconce to provide soft accent lighting that feels elegant and not harsh. The windows are finished with floor-to-ceiling layered curtains to soften the height and control daylight, so the living area stays comfortable all day. Moving to the entertainment area, the wall is kept visually clean and intentional. A full-height wood panel adds warmth and texture, while the marble-look slab panel with backlighting adds refinement without overpowering the TV screen. Below it, a floating wood TV console keeps the wall visually light, but still provides storage to stay organized. On the side, built-in shelving frames the TV wall vertically. It balances the width of the screen, but stays minimal with only a few display pieces. Lastly, a tall indoor plant is placed to soften the hard surfaces around your TV wall. This is how you turn a wide space into a functional, modern living area without changing the structure, just the design logic. The estimated total cost for furniture, built-ins, and layering accents is around $4,600 to $4,900, and similar pieces can be found in the product tags below. This kitchen has generous space and good natural light, so it only needs better connection, balance, and purpose. The design starts from the ceiling. A drop ceiling with wood panels adds depth and character. The height just enough to feel cozy and more intimate. A U-shaped layout is used because it supports a smooth and efficient kitchen setup. You use white and gold quartz for both the countertop and backsplash. This keeps the surface continuous, so your kitchen feels wider, brighter, and easier to maintain. Below, you choose matte laminated oak tone base cabinets with slim brass handles. They add generous close storage while visually support the light countertop. Above, you can add white panel upper cabinets with glass front shelves. This mix keeps storage practical, and your daily items stay visible and within easy reach. A vertical wall tile finish is installed on the upper wall to add texture and height. And you can mount a corner floating shelf here to store everyday kitchen items. Your U-shaped layout creates a clear and efficient working flow. The center for your main cooking zone, one side is dedicated to food preparation and the other side works as the washing zone. Because the space is large, you can maximize it with a full-height laminated wood cabinet with illuminated glass front shelves. The closed cabinets hide items like pantry goods and small appliances, while the glass shelves display items you want to show, such as glassware or wine glasses. There is also an open slot for the refrigerator, which makes it feel built-in and easy to access. Across from this, placed a full-height storage cabinets in wood laminate. This cabinet system absorbs large elements like appliances, cookware, and bulk storage, so everything feels clean and intentional. At the center, you don't leave the space plain. You add an island counter with the same quartz countertop with an undermount sink to keep the design consistent and clean. The wood and white panel island base cabinet was also installed to keep the materials consistent. For seating, you choose upholstered bar stools, so the island becomes comfortable for long seating, not just quick meals. After that, cover your window with roller blinds so you get to control natural light from coming through. So now, each element supports the next, creating a clear flow, so you get a kitchen that looks high-end but works smoothly every day. This family room is designed to give you a calm place to relax, watch TV, and spend time together. Before adding the furniture, the space is anchored with full-height wood panels with linear LED lighting. This wall treatment creates a strong backdrop for the seating and adds warmth. Now, every furniture piece is placed with purpose. The L-shaped sectional sofa with light linen pillows gives you more seating in a single piece, but still supports comfort for both sitting and lounging. You can pair it with a low modern coffee table that has a solid, grounded look, so it visually balances the softness of the sofa. It also provides enough surface for simple decor like a flower vase and books. A marble side table is placed near the window to prevent it from blocking movement around the seating area. Bring in a large neutral area rug sized to sit under the main furniture pieces, but still allows the floor to remain visible around the edges. Next, hang a single large abstract artwork centered on the accent wall. Using one oversized piece keeps the wall clean, but still adds strong visual interest without clutter. A tall floor plant is placed beside the seating to add a natural element. Cover your window with full-height layered curtains. This gives you privacy while also creating vertical movement that makes the room feel taller. The entertainment area is designed to feel grounded, balanced, and easy to use. Vertical fluted panels frame a large marble wall panel, creating a clear focal point for the TV. This material gives the TV wall visual weight, but the light tone keeps it bright and modern. A low wood media console is placed below the TV. Closed storage hides cables, speakers, and devices, so the wall stays clean and calm. Tall glass cabinets sit on both sides of the entertainment wall. These provide storage and display, but the glass keeps the units visually light and balanced. Nothing feels added randomly, but everything supports viewing comfort, storage, and visual balance, so the space feels calm, modern, and easy to enjoy. This can be achieved for a total cost of $3,500 to $3,900. This home shows how every area is planned to work together. The living area, kitchen, and family room now share the same materials, colors, and layout flow, but each zone still has a clear purpose. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.